Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the new NJ gas stove G-87C. It has a stainless steel surface, two burners, one is a double burner, a grill and an oven. The cooker is with an automatic piezo ignition. It is for outdoor use and it has a cover which you can put on to keep it clean and safe. You can also use this cover as a windshield from the back if the wind is strong while you're cooking, so you can do it properly. You can remove the pan supports in order to clean it easily, all of them, even the middle one. And also the pan support has a walk function for smaller or bigger pots, so you can adjust the pan supports in order to use bigger pots like that or smaller ones when you push the metal brackets inwards. As I said earlier, the stove has an oven and this is the knob that you put it on from. Also, if you turn the burner upwards, you can use it as another burner on top to cook some smaller dishes. Once you have fully adjusted the cooker and place on the pan supports, you have to connect it to the gas supply with a hose and a metal bracket to the bottle. Once you have done that, you can start using the cooker. It's fairly simple. The only thing you have to do is push and turn anti-clockwise the knob to the corresponding burner in order to lit it up. This is the maximum power that you would have from the burner, and you can adjust it by turning the knob anti-clockwise to its full position. This is the proper flame that you're gonna get from the burner. If for some reason the flame is different than this one, you can adjust it from the air dumpers underneath the burner. Now I'm gonna show you how. You don't have to turn off the cooker. It has to be working in order for you to see the flame changing. So you just lift it up a bit. These are the air dumpers. Just twist until you get more air or less air, and you follow the flame on the top of the burner. So this is not proper burning. As you can see, there's flame coming out. So you have to adjust it until you get the blue flame. The adjustable pan supports are there in order to use smaller or bigger pots, and this is really important. So if you want to use a pot of this size, you have to adjust the metal brackets in order to fit. If you place it like that, it will not be stable and it will fall. This is not the proper and correct way to use it. So now you just push the metal brackets inwards like that in order for the pot to stay stable on the cooker. Again, it is really important for the bottom of the pot to not stay directly on the burner. For example, like that. You have to again adjust them in order to fit the bottom of the pot. You can also use large pots as this one, for example, but the important thing is that when you place it on the burner, it has to cover the cooking surface of the burner. This is really important. Otherwise, you will not get efficiency from the burner and you're risking to get flame outside of the burner and burn yourself while you're cooking.